Hello guys, today we will learn how to install GIMP 2.10 on your Windows. Here are the following steps to follow. Number 1. Visit the official GIMP website using any web browser. Step 2. Click on the download button. Step 3. Next web page will open. Now click on download GIMP directly. You have three choices here, but all you have to do is to click download GIMP directly, the color orange one. Step 4. Check for the executable file in downloads in your system and run it. Step 5. Click install for all users recommended. The next screen is to choose your setup language which you want to choose and click on OK. Now that the setup is ready to install, click on Install. After the installation process will start and will take 2 to 5 minutes, depends on your computer speed and specification to complete the installation. Click on the Finish button after the installation process is complete. After this point, GIMP is successfully installed on the system and an icon is created on the desktop. Run the software and see the interfaces.